Good morning, class. My name is Devi. I am the moderator of Session 1. I am a third semester student of Nursing Study Program, College of Health Science, Kendall. Now, let's welcome our first speaker, Miss Fiana, who will present on the urinary system.
Good morning, everyone. Before I begin my presentation today, allow me to introduce myself. My name is Fiana. I'm a third semester student of Nursing Study Program, College of Health Science, Kendall. I'm going to talk about hospital equipment used to detect urinary system. There are 5 points I'm going to discuss. Point 1 is the main organs of the urinary system. Point 2 is the primary functions of the urinary system. Point 3 is the primary functions of the kidneys. Point 4 is kinds of urinary system abnormalities. Point 5 is hospital equipment used to detect urinary abnormalities. Point 1 is the main organs of the urinary system. There are 4 main organs of the urinary system. The first is kidneys. The second is ureters. The third is bladder. The fourth is urethra. Point 2 is the primary functions of the urinary system. There are 5 primary functions of the urinary system. The first is formation of urine. The second is elimination of urine. The third is regulation of blood volume. The fourth is regulation of electrolyte content. The fifth is regulation of acid-base balance. Point 3 is the primary functions of kidneys. The first is filtering blood plasma. The second is separating wastes. The third is returning useful materials. The fourth is eliminating wastes. The fifth is producing hormones. Point 4 is kinds of urinary system abnormalities. There are 8 urinary system abnormalities. 1. Urinary tract infections. Second, kidney stones. Third, chronic kidney disease. 4. Acute kidney injury. 5. Incontinence. 6. Benign prostatic hyperplasia. 7th, bladder cancer. 8. Renal cysts. Point 5 is hospital equipment used to detect urinary abnormalities. In my presentation, I'm going to discuss 2 hospital equipment used to detect urinary abnormalities. The first is MRI, magnetic resonance imaging. Magnetic resonance imaging can be used to assess soft tissue structures in the urinary system, particularly for tumors or other lesions. The second, ultrasound machine. Ultrasound machine is used to visualize the kidneys, bladder, and urinary tract to detect abnormalities such as stones, cysts, or tumors. That's all about our presentation, and thank you for listening.
Practice is the key to mastery. Every effort, no matter how small, gets you closer to perfection. Keep going. Your dedication will pay off. Latihan adalah kunci menuju penguasaan keterampilan berbahasa. Setiap usaha, sekecil apapun, membawa Anda lebih dekat ke kesempurnaan. Teruslah maju, dedikasi Anda akan membuahkan hasil. Salam dari Pak Budi.